Hello students! I'm going to show you how to round to the nearest 10,000 using a number line. We're going to start with the number 13,899. So the first thing we need to do is to determine what 10,000s that number is between. It's going to be between 10,000 and 20,000. Step 2 is to type the number that is exactly halfway between those 10,000s. Well, halfway between 10,000 and 20,000 is 15,000. If you'll notice on all the slides, you'll always have a number with a 5 in the thousands place and zeros for the other places after it. And that'll be a pattern you see throughout all of these slides when you're typing in this number that's halfway between. The third thing we need to do is to put our number on the number line. So let's figure out what each tick mark is counting by. So if this is 15,000, that means each tick mark counts by 1,000. So this would be 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000. So our number will be between these two, and it's going to be closer to 14,000. All right, we'll leave it right there. The fourth thing we're going to do is determine which 10,000 the number is closer to. So I can see that it's closer to 10,000. That means that my number rounds to 10,000. I hope you have fun using these Google Slides to learn how to round to the nearest 10,000 using a number line.